Carrie here for today's recipe. It's pork tocino that I made from scratch. I start off with just about 1 pound of smoked pork belly. That's just one of my favorite cuts, and because it's smoked it has flavor of its own. Be careful with smoked pork though, because it can be salty, so it depends on which one that you have, but you could use fresh pork belly. I'm using the Mama Sita's Tocino marinating mix. That's from the Philippines. It's a Filipino brand. I'm making slices of this as thin as possible, but enough for it to be meaty as well. And so I'll just be going through this. This is one of my favorite things to eat from the Philippines. It is just so delicious, great with rice. And I made my rice in the pressure cooker. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how I made this wonderful rice dish in the pressure cooker. The tocino I made on the stove top, and it's quite easy as well, especially with the tocino mix. Let me know what are some of your favorite Filipino dishes in the comments as well, and be sure to give me a like, a thumbs up on this video, and share with your friends. So I'll add the mix in batches and then go in and work my way in to each piece, coating each piece, adding all of the packet to the 1 pound, or just about 4.45 kilos, almost half a kilo of pork belly. You could use any other boneless cut of pork as well, but fatty is better. I'm adding some cling wrap. This is cling wrap that I got from Lulu's in Dubai that I still have. That's how much I got in that. I got the industrial size, and then I refrigerated for about 1 to 2 hours. I think about 2 hours. Then I took it out of the fridge, brought it to room temperature. And here we go. See that it's watered down a little bit, and we're gonna add some more water to the pot for it to cook. You could actually do it by frying in a shallow pan, but I wanted to kind of like cook it, then dry it out. It's very similar to how a beef rendang is made in Indonesia, as well as a dry adobo in the Philippines. So I just simply add heat and let it cook and simmer. It's been going on for a little while, and if you notice, this is where the fat is rendering at this stage. It's already cooked. The only thing I'm looking for now is for the meat to catch some color, and for the sugars to render down into like a syrupy thickness, and you see that happening more and more. But now I want to add just 1 tablespoon of sugar. That was already done, but I still wanted to intensify the color, so I'm adding the sugar here more for the color than anything else. Now you see the oil has separated. You don't have to wait until it gets to this point, and that's it. It's pretty much done. You see how nice and rich this color is right now. And in true Filipino tradition, I serve it over some rice and a boiled egg, and of course the egg has to have that little gravy room around it, because otherwise that's just par for the course. How delicious is this though? Seriously, I'm hungry. I'm salivating just looking at this. I need to go and make some right now, and I've got all the ingredients. I'm gonna make it again. But this way you can have dinner on the table in about 30 minutes after the marination time as well. You know, if you're counting marination and the cutting up, then you're probably gonna add another hour and 15 minutes on top of the 30 minutes. So it's about 1 hour 45 minutes total of both cook and prep time. But cooking time, just 30 minutes. And 15 minutes to prep and an hour to marinate. And this is my very Filipino dish, tocino with rice and an egg, and I served it with a salad with some crabs. So that was also very gorgeous.